Welcome to Naples, Florida. I'm back here on another adventure with family, but we are starting out on 9th Street North. Yeah, 9th Street North. We're gonna find a restaurant behind us somewhere, and we'll just take you on our adventures today. So come on, let's go. I just got pixie-fied. Pixie dusted. All right, I'm about to try one of these Dragon Balls. Oh, look at this, she is good! Make sure you bring cash if you come to Pastrami Jan's. Okay, so one thing we learned about Pastrami Jan's is they have pastrami. That's pretty much it. I don't like pastrami. My husband does. There's hot dogs. I don't do hot dogs. So we're moving on. See what else is around here. This is really good. Time for a tour of the Hyatt. It's a king bed. All right, so there's the door we just came in. This is a little area where they give you a microwave, little coffee maker, your ice, your glasses. They even give you a wine opener. If you want to drink adult beverages, they're ready for you to go. Okay, it's very nice. They've got coffee cups down here, and we've got your assortment of coffee and tea. Here's the refrigerator. They do not stock it, so you must stock it yourself. See what kind of closet space you get. So not bad. Again, we're not staying, we're just here for a night, but they have a luggage rack for you to help you unpack, a safe for your valuables, plenty of space to hang suits and stuff if you're here for a business meeting or for a family event like we are tonight. Ours is a casual event though. There's the adjoining door if you are sharing a room with family. Decent sized television. It's very contemporary, I would say, the decor. The couch looks comfy. It's like a chaise lounge. And let's see what our view is. Oh, we've got a nice view. We face the pool. Lovely view. All right, so there's a lovely pool down there. I did bring our swimsuits just in case we decide to go for a late night swim tonight. And then we are on a body of water, but I'm not quite sure what it is. So very cool, and there's a bar down there by the pool. You can see right there, there's a little bar. So yeah, cute place. I will say that they were very accommodating and managed to get us into the room before 3 o'clock. So they got us in an hour early, which is nice. Probably because they're not super booked. Also, a nice shower. Oh, it's a door. Oh, it's a nice sized shower. I love that kind of shower head. I like when they have the rails in case you need to hold on and you're old like me. And the sink. And the only thing I would say is that because they put a door in here on rails, that they can't hang anything like the holder. So the holder's like super duper close to where you sit. Just saying, just something to know. And then a nice full length mirror if you need to see what you look like if you're going to an event or just because you like to look at yourself, I don't know. It's a beautiful morning here in Naples. I'm gonna show you the outside of the hotel, and then we're gonna go inside and look at the breakfast buffet, which you get as part of your stay. I will also say that the towels here are some of the fluffiest towels that I've ever experienced. and ham. If you want to come out and hang out by the dock, you can. There are some chairs to hang out at. Very nice. So right over here, across from the hotel, all you would need to do is cross over this bridge right here, so it's totally walkable. You walk over to this area, and there's shops and restaurants and fun stuff to do, so you can do that while you're here. I'm gonna end this vlog because we are going with family and then heading back home, but we really enjoyed our stay here at the Naples Hyatt. My husband actually rated this 9 out of 10, and he does travel a lot on business. He really liked the bed for sleeping. He said it was super duper comfortable. I agree, I actually slept pretty well, and the breakfast is really good in the morning. So the breakfast that you saw, you can get, you know, that what's already made, or they also do make fresh to order omelets, which is a nice feature if you like omelets. And yeah, we definitely recommend staying here if you take a trip to Naples. Thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there below. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye. The breakfast is really good in the morning. You can also get...